today's video, I'll show you how to embed a video into a Klaviyo email, making your campaigns more engaging and visually appealing. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account and clicking on the Campaigns tab on the left hand side. Then click Create Campaign and hit Continue to move to the setup phase. Fill out all the required details carefully, as this sets the foundation for your email. Once complete, click Next. Now it's time to choose a template. Browse the available options and select one that fits your campaign's style. Click Use Template to open it in the editor. In the template editor, locate the blocks section and drag the video block into your email layout. Paste your video URL into the designated field and add a brief description to give your readers context. Make sure to enable the Show Play button option so recipients can clearly see that there's a video to watch. Finally, click Preview and Test to ensure your video appears correctly and functions smoothly. Once satisfied, your Klaviyo email with an embedded video is ready to send. And that's it. You've successfully added video to your Klaviyo email, boosting engagement and enhancing your marketing campaigns. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful marketing tips